So we can use the anchor tag again, the same object again for anchor tag. So if we print this anchor tag one, what in the anchor tag list, if we print the second argument, what will be the output of this one? So here we can also see that the category has also been extracted. So this, using the same above concept, we can get the category and we can extract the category link. So we have extracted category link as well. Now we are interested in the reviews. So if we check the reviews there, we can also see that reviews are also a kind of so reviews are not actually a kind of anchor tag, but yeah, reviews are a kind of anchor tag. So inside anchor tag we have span over here. So let's see how we can get the reviews of the data. So reviews equals to, if we print the anchor tag 2, what we get. So we get the reviews over here inside the span. So for span we need to find the, or maybe find the particular span. Yeah, so we find the span, and if we find the dot text, we got the text of this reviews. Now the third one is we are interested in is description. So if we check the description, this is not the anchor tag, so we need to extract if we use some other method. You close all the divs which are above this div, this particular div which contain the description. So if we see, we are already in this particular clicking camera div. Now inside this we have one div, parent div, and inside parent div we have anchor tag and another div, and inside this particular div there are two more divs. One is class relative and flex row. So the div which we are interested in is actually the second one. So if we use the single product dot find all divs, and if we use the 01, what will we get? Let's exit here so that we can get only one single item. So it's a relative h full, this one. And if we use the second div, what will be the option, what we will get? Relative flex hull. So this one is actually the one which we are looking at, and this was also been printed in the terminal as well. Now if we search the inside this particular div, if we search all the divs here as well, and inside those div I just want to print the, inside this particular div I just want to print the first one. So this is actually a tree kind of structure. So here we are getting like div class is equal to relative. Like inside this, the first one is a relative one, and the second one is the absolute one, which is an empty div. Third div is also an empty one, and the fourth div is so the fourth div is this one. So if we search this one inside, we got this one now. So inside this div we have more data, but we are interested inside the description part, this one. We will again use the find all, and in over here we will just find the div, and inside this particular div I am interested in the 0 item, for example. This will contain the image now. First contain the description which we are interested. So if I print the string of this one, what will be the output? So we got the description. I will remove the exit one. So now the next item which we are interested in is the rating. So now here are the so if we see the we got the rating in the alt category, alt tag. So we need to extract this one as well. Single product dot find all div, and since all information in are in the first div, so we will use the first div, and over here we can extract the data. We will use the same kind of item selection, and over here, because if we use the rating, we are getting this rating data inside this particular div as well. Let's exit here. So inside this rating we are getting the rating data as well. So if I just copy it and copy it inside the text document, I can search for reviews and I can get the reviews. I can also get the rating or not, just like in first we have 4 point stars. If I search for stars, so we are getting the star, and it's inside the image alt tag. So find image, and I am interested in the alt tag. So okay, now we got the rating as well. uh, the next option is which we are interested is in the price. So for price we can also use the same single product dot find all the divs, because the data which we are actually this div contain also the price as well. So if we check this one inside this particular div, we can see the price as well. So let's print the price. Let's copy this one and okay, so if we copy it and save it in the HTML file, let's see where the price is. So we can close these divs. So inside this particular div we have on the second div we have the price one, and inside this div we have span, and in span we have the price, the original price and discounted price as well. So now we can also find the price. So if in order to find the price we can find the all the span. Let's print the first span. We got this one, and let's print the second one. We got the category. Let's print the third one. Got the reviews. This one contain the price, the discounted price. So we can use the okay, so we need to use the find all method. So this contain the price, but we need to use the replace function over here to clean the data. So what I need to replace, I need to replace this one. Need to replace this one, and then the closing one. Okay, so this is a non type. We need to modify this one as string. Sorry, this one. Okay, so if we so replace, okay, so this the error. So what if I use just the text? Let's remove this one. Yeah, so just I need to replace the yeah. So now I got the price as well. So for old price, now we can also use the old price as well. Single product dot find all, and inside this one we are interested in the same div, and so we'll just copy this one, and the old price over here is like the second span, or maybe sorry, the third one. So we got the old price as well. Now we need to save this this data inside the CSV file. So for that we need to import the CSV, and inside the CSV we can create the file name. Let's create the file name, and the file name is like, for example, import.csv. So here we will just specify the import.csv file name, and we will just open the file name, comma, for write purpose. So products, we will create an object of CSV file dot writer, and inside this we will pass the file. Here we will just so the columns which we have created is like product title, href, category, link, review, description, rating, price, and order price. So we will create a simple list for columns, and we will just push this list to the CSV file. Here we will just we will create a list, and inside this list we will just save the data. So category, reviews, category link, here we have also category link as well. So category link, reviews, description, rating, price, and all price. Or here we will just push this this list inside the CSV file. So products CSV dot write row and single item. And then we will just close this file. Let's run that, and if we are getting the data or not. So the program has successfully run. Now let's see the file. So now we have all the products here. If we open this one inside the Excel sheet, we can also check this one as well, so if the data is correct or not. So title, product link, category link, reviews, description, rating, and then price and order price. Okay, thank you for watching.